Hello friends, today we are going to talk about fearless. Today being the new moon, let's experience what is being fearless. You can connect to God and experience peace in every moment. When the consciousness is kept on God, you will have no fears. Every obstacle will then be overcome by courage and faith. So today, inhale and exhale deeply, slowly and rhythmically. Inhale and exhale deeply, slowly and rhythmically. Relax with each exhalation. Take several breaths and fill yourself with the essence of spirit. Feel the energy of the polar bear today. Polar bear is naturally courageous, strong, and confident. Notice how he moves with such grace, dignity, and awareness of the present moment. He is calm, grounded, and centered. He is fearless. You can experience the polar bear's same calm energy. You can trust and have faith because you know that you are a child of God. You possess all the power of your Creator. You are a warrior of love. You are fearless. You are consciously connected to your Creator in a realm where fear cannot exist. Remain in this state of deep, calm peace and feel the sweet serenity of spirit where peace reigns supreme. If fear and doubt were removed from my mind, check with yourself. If fear and doubt were removed from my mind, would I be living my life differently? What do I fear? Am I willing to deepen my connection to spirit in order to remove fear? And the magical statement is, as I connect with God, I watch my fears wash away. As I connect with God, I watch my fears wash away. Gratitude question: why I am always so blessed to connect with God and release all my fears. In such way, you can keep creating gratitude question from whatever you read and you can bring about a major difference in your life. Today I spoke about polar bear. Yes, if you like someone's quality, you can download those qualities into your system. This is taught in my intuitive training program. If interested, visit my website www.insightsandgrowth, insightsandgrowth, growth.com. I'll be sharing the link in the description below. Till then, light and fragrance to all of you.